Class 9. Previous class I have already explained you about the Hero's formula. So you remember Hero's formula only to find the area of the triangle by using the Hero's formula is in your syllabus, and application of a Hero's formula that is not in your syllabus. So that's why I have not taught that one, and today I will start a new chapter, that the surface area and volume. Already you know in class 8 what is the surface area of a cuboid, what is the surface area of a cube, what is the surface area of a cylinder, like this, only three you know it. And today we have to revise the surface area of a cube and a cuboid once more, and we have to learn something extra in class 9. So now, what is the difference between a cube and a cuboid? Understanding what I am saying? What is the difference between a cube and a cuboid? A cuboid is a solid figure in which all sides are different. All sides means that the length, breadth and height should be different, or length is equal to breadth but not is equal to height, or length is equal to height not is equal to breadth, but A, B and H all should not be equal. If all will be equal, length, breadth and height, then it will be a cube. Example of a cuboid, you can say your math book. You can say this is, you see, this is a packet. Okay, so this is a bundle of A4 size papers are here. So here this is a cuboid, and this is chalk box. This is also a cuboid. So here you see in this both, if I will show you this one, this is called the length. Look at this is called the length. Understanding? This is the length. This is your breadth, and this is the height. Height means thickness. Height is thickness. Understand? With the length is this, breadth is this one, height is this one. So in a cuboid, particularly in this solid figure, the length this one, breadth this one and height this one, all are different. All are not in the same measure. So this is called a cuboid. So if I draw a cuboid, it will be like this. Just a cuboid you see here. Cuboid. So this is called the length L. This is the breadth. Breadth can be denoted by B. And this is the height. Height can be denoted by H. So a solid figure cuboid is a three-dimensional solid figure which have length is L. L is your length. B stands for breadth, and A stands for height. Understanding? So in a cuboid, A is not is equal to B, not is equal to H. This is case 1. Case 2, A is equal to B, not is equal to H. This is also a cuboid. Case 3, A not equal to B, B is equal to H. This is also a case of a cuboid. Then case 4, L is equal to H, not is equal to B. So all these are the examples of the cuboid. So cuboid is a solid figure which having the length, breadth and height all should not be equal. If the two are equal, length and breadth equal, height may not be equal. Or length and height equal, breadth not be equal. So like this, all these are called a cuboid. An example of a cuboid I have already shown to you. Now you see in a cuboid, how many faces are here? You see.